Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to add a vintage retro effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. Okay, let's say this is our clip that we want to add the effect on. What you first want to do is go over to Effects, go to OpenFX, and here you want to type in Scan Lines. Then just drag it on top of your clip. And now we're going to adjust it. Here under Inspector, open Inspector, go to Effects, put the line frequency to 10, this, and the line sharpness to 0.5. Just like that. Make sure that the composite type is Add Overlay. Okay, what you next want to do is open Effects again and under OpenFX, type in fast noise. Again, just drag it on top of the clip. Now it looks like this, but we're going to adjust it. We're going to do here, click on scan line so it disappears. Here's the fast noise. We're going to open that and we put the scale to 0. Then what you want to do is adjust the brightness. For the brightness, we're going to do minus 0.005 like this, and for the contrast we'll go with 0.45 like this. And very important, the composite type of course has also to be overlay. Now it looks like this. If we let it go, it already looks like this. Now we're going to add a vignette. Just type in vignette and drag it on top of your clip till it looks like this. Of course, you can edit your vignette however you want. For example, the size, if you don't want it too big, let's go with this one. And now you want to search under Effects for Adjustment Clip. Just drag it on top of your timeline and then you can copy it and, for example, paste it over here, and let's say over here, and you will see why we do that in a second. So just go to Effects and then search for Glitch Effect and then drag the glitch effect on top of each adjustment clip, just like that. And of course you can also edit the digital glitch, but I will just stick with the normal settings here. So now let's watch our clip. Okay, it's pretty laggy right now, but that will be how it looks. Yeah, and if you want to edit the colors a bit, let's go over to the color page. And here, what I like to do is just to make it a little bit more bluish, so it goes along well with the effect. Yeah. But you can just try it out yourself. And now I'll adjust them a little bit shorter, however you like, just like that. And that is our final clip. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to add the vintage retro effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.